Okay. All right. Make sure right now I'm in this. Good morning, Seppuku. Good morning. Yeah, this one's gonna be tough. This one's definitely going to be tough, I think. Uh, make sure I'm in the sim. I mean, this looks like a short opportunity, but this does look like a short opportunity right here. But the structure is bullish. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to wait for a VWAP touch, and I will take the trade at VWAP, depending on what I see. Yeah, I'll take the trade at VWAP if we get it. But the structure is bullish. My only concern, my only concern about this position is that price is finding resistance here at this neckline right here. This is where price is finding resistance. Price is finding resistance here. So that's my only concern for this. But obviously, majority of the move happened overnight. The question, the question is, if this continues to the upside, does price wants to take out these highs? If price doesn't want to take out these highs, then it makes more sense to look for moves to the downside. I mean, that's the question. And I think we're going to have to be very patient this morning to discover that answer. Right now, I mean, if you're in this short, you're in a good position, but mm, yeah, price gets in this area down here, somewhere here, I'll go long. Yeah, because I mean, it's undeniable. The structure is bear. I mean, the structure is bullish, but Yeah, I'll just wait. I'll just wait on this. If I miss the move, I'll catch the follow up. I'll catch the follow up, but with VWAP down here and this in the bottom of this range down here, I'm going to want to see. I want to at least see a test of that. I want to see at least a test of VWAP because this is a double top up here. I mean, we got a double top, but we also got a double bottom. I mean, price is making its way to the downside, but like I said, the structure is bullish. Yeah, I definitely wouldn't take a trade right here. I'll just definitely wait for the follow up. They are finding support here at 525. My only concern about taking a trade long, well, we'll see. We'll see. We'll see what happens. I mean, I just have to be very mindful about the pattern. I just have to be mindful about it. Uh, hmm, okay. Good morning, JC. Just gotta be mindful about it. Yeah, I guess taking that long here at 525 would have been the move. Okay. So they could find support here, but like I said, I'm not going to go long this high because I would definitely have to bet on the bulls to take out these double highs, and we can possibly see a move all the way back up to 600 possibly. But I'm not going to bet that on the bulls. I want a nice, decent pullback into an area of support and take my chances there versus trying to fight in this area. Now, if we do get a breakout, well, then, like I said, I'll take the follow-up trade. The question is, it's like I said, that's just going to be the question. I'm going to be keeping my eye at the 605 level. I'm going to be keeping my eyes on it, but hmm, structure is bullish, and we did have the news come in at expectation as well. Um, of course, they're going to prop up all this economic data. It is an election year. Don't ever allow anybody to make you believe that this market isn't being propped up because of it. We got the Chicago Purchasing Manager Index and the consumer sentiment, or not the consumer sentiment, but the hold on. Okay. Yeah, we have the Chicago Purchasing Manager Index in the next 5 minutes. And obviously at 9, we have the consumer confidence, or I'm sorry, the consumer sentiment and the consumer expectation, inflation expectation for August. So that should be fun. I am considering taking a position here at 525, but I mean, there is a lot of support here. If I were to take a position here at 525, I mean, it will be right here at VWAP. I'm not willing to take that risk. If I were to have gotten in, I probably would have got my first target hit or my second target literally at the bottom of this range. So, I mean, I would have got my targets hit if I took it. That's just the one thing about the freaking Nasdaq, man. You one wrong move, and everything that you work for is gone. The ES is trending up higher as well, and that's definitely looking like it's going to break these highs at 640 on the ES. It definitely looks that way. And if the ES is trending, then the Nasdaq is not going to be too far behind. But the ES is trending. I guess I should have took that trade. I mean, even with that, and let's see what they do here, man. Because this is definitely that high, 577 is definitely that break of structure here. Question is, does the bulls want to break out of this range and trade higher? Or is this just resistance? Is this just another wall? Are we making another lower high from yesterday? That's the question. Are we making another lower high? Because we've already made the lower low. So this, I mean, if we can break past this, that lower high. Well, I guess this could be considered a lower high. Oh, well, technically still, that's still lower. We'll see. We are finding support at that 23% as well. I mean, everything is suggesting that we should be bulls right now. The only thing is, where do we get in? What is a safe location that we can get in and we can get our targets hit? That's the question. Because everything is pointing to the upside, at least for right now. At least for right now, it is. We broke out of that golden zone. I guess that's what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for a retest because I think VWAP was here. It was here earlier, but obviously it's not there anymore. Waiting for that golden zone retest is probably the best area to get long. If we get it before we take out these highs. There's always a trade you don't take. Yeah, that's definitely the ES trending. I mean, we did sweep the liquidity above this high. We are getting dangerously close to the ES breaker structure here at 648. We are getting dangerously close. All right, so we got a breaker structure here. Okay. Mm. No, that's super bullish by the ES. I mean, we could get a pullback. We could get a pullback back to this little structure right here on the ES. We could. I mean, we got a breakout. I mean, they bought the retest. We had to break a structure. Yeah, they could come back here. Mm. Mm. Where is it at? 530. Mm. Mm. I mean, boy, that is dangerous if I take this long. That would be definitely dangerous. That would be dangerous. Hmm. 516, huh? 516. Yeah, I'm just gonna wait. I'm waiting on. I mean, I kind of wish that VWAP was kind of back in this range. I would feel more confident in this range because where VWAP is right at these equal lows, and we all know what equal lows are for. We know what they're for. Mm. The CBD is still positive too. Okay. All right. So I guess it's like a now or never thing, dude. It's like now or never. It seems like I just saw something. Let me look at this real quick. Just seen something. Hmm. It can be interpreted in two different ways. Ah, no, 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 no. Ah, oh man. Ah. Hmm. Hmm. Where was that at? 33? Hmm. Okay. Hmm. I guess. Hmm. Yeah, this ain't gonna be easy. In the back of my mind, I guess I'm just waiting for the other shoe to drop. That's what I'm waiting for is the other shoe to drop. Because yes, we're grinding, but grinding usually means that one side of the market is overwhelming the other side, but not by that much. I mean, it's enough to keep pushing price higher, but this is not strong buying at all. And that's why I'm kind of hesitant to get in long. And there it goes, man. There it goes. I guess I was given plenty of opportunity to get in long. I just didn't trust all the opportunities that was presented to me, unfortunately, in this situation. I'll just wait for the news, I guess. I mean, So we got the algo coming up in 5 minutes. I mean, the CBD is positive, so obviously there's more buying than selling right now. The only thing I did was, I mean, nah, I'm just gonna wait for VWAP. I'm gonna wait for it. I mean, the market has already kind of moved too much to the upside. I don't want to short this market because bears have a hard time being profitable in this market. They have a hard time being profitable. So I'm going to stick to the bull side. I'm gonna try to buy as low as possible, at least enough to get 2 of my targets hit. I mean, if you see a move down here to 525, I'll definitely get in, but um, I'm just gonna have to pay attention to the bulls.
Right there.
PSU4, hidden ask development.
And you can see now about tag or drop a link for that straight to.
By the time when you finally say fine and get in long, that's when it wants to go short. All right, man. Keep missing trading opportunities, then. I don't know what the hell's holding me back. All right, so the news is coming out in about 60 seconds, less than 60 seconds. Hopefully we can kind of find our way into this without too much of a hassle. Now, that's just the one thing about the Nasdaq. Once it gets going, it gets going. If you miss that opportunity to get in, it's definitely a pain to wait for the next one. Waiting for that next bus, train, plane, whatever. It's always painful. Okay. All right. So I mean, it's that 605 level that I was kind of concerned about, and it seems like my concerns were. You got the 622. I think we just tapped that golden zone. Yeah. I don't want to short this market, man. I don't want to short this market, but we'll see what happens when we get up here to 36. We'll see what happens. I would prefer to go long up in. I would prefer to go long up into this level, but if I see an opportunity to short, I will. But like I said, I don't necessarily care to short this market, but I mean, if we can get price to come down here, I'll take the long. I'll take the long if I can get it to come down there. If the market comes down there, I'll take the long. If not, then I'm just going to take the short up here. And let me actually put level here. So I know where I'm at. The high is 636. Okay. So just where I know where I'm at in regards to that level, to that high.
The trend analyzer, like this one,
PSU4.
these are
Hidden
a
S development.
solid indication that the trend is going to continue in that direction. Mm.
Dude, yeah. If we can get price to drop down here, then yeah.
Yes, YM does have their own stream, but you have to be a member. That's how you get access to the YM. If you're not a member,
Yeah, so I was concerned about, man, I could have been in all the way down here. Don't know what else. No, that shit gonna take that out. All right, man. I'll try the long here since, I mean, hopefully I'm not in this long too late. Try to get the best price possible here.
Stop filled.
What the hell? Oh yeah, my advice. I was like, what the hell? Mute this tab. Oh, my tab should have already been muted. So where is this coming from? All right, NQ. Don't be nasty. Don't be nasty, NQ. All I can do now is just let my trade play out. I think I might be good, but yeah. All the difficulties like that happen. Oh, man. All right, man. All right. All right, Bulls, don't fail me. Yeah, we just need to break above that 21 and I'll feel more confident in this trade. Yeah, I think that should be good. I mean, the only thing that's going to be concerning in this is that the bears may come in right here, but let's hope that they don't. Because, I mean, I don't think the market would reverse here after doing all this. I'm thinking that at least the market is going to want to get into this range, at least after doing all of that, all this pumping. All right. Freaking Nasdaq, man. All right, man. All right. Freaking Nasdaq, dude. All right. All right, so I might lose this trade, man. I may lose it. I hate the fact that I took the long. So late, and now it seems like now that I got long, now the Bulls want to kind of show a little bit of weakness now. Classic NQ, man. Now the bulls are gone away. Like I said, if we can get this break above the 21, then we should be good. Mm. Yeah, I think we should be good. I think we should be good here. And the way that the bulls are coming back in now, unless we see a mean red candle out of nowhere, we should be good. All right, man. Okay, so yeah, this is gonna be the deciding factor right here. That this right here is gonna be the deciding factor. Either it's gonna break down or it's gonna pop up. When I say that's fucking typical NQ, man, that's so typical of you. Oh my God. Oh my fucking God. Oh my God. Oh, that's just so typical to fucking NQ, man. Oh, that's so typical. All right, man. Just make sure. Excuse me. Typical freaking NQ behavior, man. Typical. Typical NQ behavior. Typical NQ behavior, dude. That is, oh my God, dude. Uh, mm, 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 mm. Mm. Wow, man, even dude, the Nasdaq is so sleepy right now. Okay, so what's the ES doing? Okay, man. What's up with this sleepy price action, man? Just I guess I should have just stuck with the ES today. All right, I was thinking about just sticking with the ES today. I guess I should have done that. Because I mean, even though the ES is just as sleepy, at least it's grinding in one. Wow. Okay. Okay. All right, man. All right. Okay. All right. All right, man. You can't make this type of stuff up, man. Uh, this was literally what I was trying to avoid this morning. Literally what I was trying to avoid. And I guess because that's what I was focused on, that's what I found myself into. I was literally trying to avoid this. Uh, Hold on, guys. And uh, not so good, JC. I literally found myself in a situation that I was trying to avoid this morning. As I was hesitating to taking longs in this area, well, I tried buying the retest. That didn't work out. And we got the market slowly grinding down to the downside. Um, not a good way to start the or end the week. So I'm just going to pay attention to what, I mean, so JCC almost effed up and took it short 17 consecutive. Man, your contract size, man. You and Smith, that contract sizing. But hey, man, if that works. Okay, I'm definitely going to try to take this. I'm definitely taking this. Let's see what it does here. Okay. Dude, come on. Come on. You don't have to be nasty, man. You don't have to be nasty. You don't have to be nasty. Come on. Come on. Now I gotta make. Damn, dude. Uh, Hey, Marquise, congratulations on that. So why do you feel that they may deny it? Why do you feel that they may deny your payout? I mean, from what I understand about Apex now, as long as you're not DCAing into your position, I think that's their biggest gripe. Just DCAing into the position, not having a stop loss. Um, yeah, I think that's it. Oh, they're asking for a damn 30%, and they're asking for videos now. Damn, that's damn. Oh crap, my bad. I was sitting there getting so focused, I forgot to move my stop up. Got to move my stop up. I could have sworn I had an ATM strategy that already does that, but I think since I changed this one, y'all guys see that now it's a trailing stop instead of a stagnant stop. It took me it took me longer than it should have to figure out how the hell that shit works. Like it really did. Now it's just having the runners, work. Okay. I don't know why that happened. That's not what's supposed to happen. That was definitely not supposed to happen. I'm gonna have to look at that because I might have. What's supposed to happen is my stop moves up once it gets close to this target. That's what's supposed to happen. Because I would prefer to get my targets hit versus moving my stop up, because since these are micro contracts, these targets need to get hit. I mean, if this comes back on me, I only lose $150, and I'm willing to risk that for more profit. I'm willing to risk that, especially now that took those two freaking unnecessary freaking losses. Yeah, I'm gonna have to probably go back in and fix that because it didn't work. Right now my stop is supposed to be following this up right now. So I made a mistake possibly in this one. Well, kind of distract me from this. Let me just do this now. Because this one is supposed to be following. That's why. Yeah. It's just those stupid mental mistakes like that. That's, man, what the hell? You know what? Fine. I mean, I can't deal with that right now. I swear. It's just those mistakes like that. That's why, like, mistakes, having an ATM strategy while your emotions are running high is crucial. Because having to fix something like that in the moment of a trade, I was supposed to have gotten out of this one. I should have been out of this trade right here, at least this contract. I should have got filled on it, but I had my I guess I didn't update this one, so I updated the other one. And I guess I made a mistake and didn't update this one as well as this one. So I updated the 13 contracts, but I guess I made a mistake on the 9. And it's always great to discover that you made a mistake in production. It's always great. Not well, it probably won't work since this trade is already going, but I think I'm good. I think we can at least retest this high. I mean, we had a deep pullback. If we can break out of this range, I am willing to add more contracts to this position. I think we can at least retest the highs at least. I mean, we had a deep enough pullback for that. So if we can get a breakout, I'm willing to add. All right, there it goes. All right, now that I fixed it, I'm surprised it worked. I'm really surprised it worked now that I fixed it. So that what was supposed to happen. As soon as price got here, it was supposed to trail. And unfortunately, it just didn't work out. So let's see. Yep, there it goes. There we go. All right, there we go, baby. There we go. That's how I want all these trades to work, because moving this. So I got it to where once it hits a profit target, the stop is going to move up 9 ticks behind it, and as price goes in my favor, it's going to follow it. Obviously, if my stop gets hit, I only lose. I mean, I did the math on this. I think I would lose $100 on the whole trade if my stop gets hit the whole way. If it gets hit the whole way, I lose $100. But then I also have my target set to where it's like 2 or 3 points like after where I want to get out. So obviously my first target is at 18 points. So I have my trailing stop come back in at around like 16 points, and it's going to follow it up. So I only lose 2 points if it comes back. But then there's going to be situations where I can gain 2 points if it continues to go in my favor, and that stop is going to move up as it goes up. So even if it misses that 20-point target and falls back, I still have an opportunity to still make a little bit more money. I mean, it's not a big deal, but it's just a compromise because I'm just so sick and tired of it going to your target, probably missing it by a tick, and then it comes back towards you and you get stopped out because of it, and all those profits are gone. But then I have a stop to move up, and then it doesn't want to fill the stop because the price drops below where my stop is supposed to move because it happens so fast. And then the same situation happens again. So once it hits the profit target now, the stop is going to be moved back far enough to where it's not going to drop 2 points in a millisecond. I mean, I know that the ink you can do it, but it's highly unlikely for it to happen. And as it goes in my favor, the stop is going to move up. So it's just a compromise. I guess I'm willing to risk the $100 throughout the whole trade versus not getting the profits at all. I guess I'm willing to risk that. And this last target is going to stay at break even +1. This is the runner. Just gotta have to let it work. But like I said, if we can get a breakout, if we can get a breakout, I'm thinking that we can at least get to 605. You know what? Hold on. If I get in now. $662. Okay. And that looks like it's gonna break out. That looks like it's gonna break out, man. All right, so this is what I'll do. This is what I'll do. Hmm. Because I mean, that could be this could be, this could be them failings, but we'll see. We'll see. I'll move my, we'll see. Yeah. Yeah, Marquise. Hey, so Marquise, are you more focused on trading the Nasdaq, or you trade the ES, or both? Yeah, Marquise, that's definitely, especially when it comes to these payouts, because when um, especially when you put a lot of time and effort into this, man, and every day is full of anxiety. When you have situations like this, I could have had a great, uh, 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 I could have had a great, man. I really don't know why I'm ignoring the good trades. I really don't know why I'm not executing on what I see and trying to wait for a perfect pullback. The market is obviously trying to at least come back and retest that high. So, I mean, if we can, let me look at the hourly candle real quick. Let me look at it. Yeah. Hmm. I mean, that's definitely a bullish hourly candle right there. It's definitely bullish. But we did see that rejection at the 21. Or not, sorry, the 21, the 200 EMA. We did see that rejection at the 200 EMA. I mean, my only concern, this is my only concern this morning. That's kind of why I was so hesitant to take the longs, is because, I mean, if they're not going to take this out, if they're not going to take out 690, then I mean, going long would have been, is dangerous, because that means if they're not going to take out 690, then they're going to try to go for liquidity at least underneath this range, at least under 390. And that was just my concern this morning, but obviously it wasn't a real concern. And that's why I was like, you know what, I'll take the chance on the long. And unfortunately, I got in long at the wrong spot, as per usual with the NQ. And that 605 level has definitely been acting as back under there. Look at that. That 605 level is the freaking truth, man. Okay. All right. So, I mean, let's see. I mean, either they're going to hold it or they're not. It's saying that I have maximum quantity. Where? Where? Oh, oh, okay. All right. All right. I mean, either they're gonna hold this or they not gonna hold it. Damn. I guess they're not gonna hold it. No. No. Damn. Damn. Man, that was a nasty drop. That was nasty, man. And I swear I was only saved by the hair of my on my chinny chin chin. That was a nasty drop. That was nasty. Mm. Wow, that was a nasty drop. That was nasty. That was nasty. Nice. Okay. I'll take that. I'll take that. I'll take that. I'll take that. Hold on, give me a second. Okay. All right. Well, I mean, we got that VWAP touch. Got the VWAP touch. All right. I mean, every point matters, man. I mean, that shit matters. Like next time with that runner, man, stuff like that matters. Come on, baby, just pump. Just pump, baby. There we go. Pump. Oh, what the hell? Mm, mm, ooh, mm. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. Okay. Mm, mm. I'm gonna have to close this if I see any retracement. I'm gonna have to close it if I can't even protect myself in this. Okay, I had to close that. I had to close it. I had to close it. What? Uh, all right, so I have no clue what the hell happened. I have no clue. I should have. All right, price. So what are you trying to do? All right, let me look at ES real quick because I mean ES. I mean I feel sorry for ES traders, man. Like that is, excuse me, that is despicable. That is despicable, man. That is despicable. I mean, is it trying to go for VWAP again? Is the market trying to go down? Let me look at this, man, because I'm gonna take the chances on the long, man. I'm gonna just have to take the chance on the long. Take the chances on the long. I just hate that my stop is right there at VWAP. Ah, it's right there. It's right there at VWAP, and I hate that. All right, Bulls. Fuck. Man, I should have just waited for freaking VWAP, man. Should have just waited for VWAP. As always, per usual. Got this account back down to negative 200. Yeah, I absolutely hate days like these, man. Sleepy, price action. Absolutely hate it. All right, man. All right, so should I get out at break even or should I let it ride? That's the question. And go short. I mean, dude, I mean, this is so sleepy. It's looking bearish, but obviously the price action is bullish, but it's looking bearish. I mean, obviously right now, if you're on the bull side of the market, you're getting more opportunities to go long, but it's obvious that the bears are selling all the pops. All right, man. All right, so I think I just hit daily loss limit in this. Yeah, I just hit daily loss limit in the account, man. All right, man. The fuck, man. All right. Freaking swear, man. All right. And this might be trying to go for 500 or probably trying to go for 500. And I'm gonna wait until 500 to take or okay. Okay. Dude. Man. Man. I guess we all know that the NQ requires sacrifice. And it's right there at that freaking level too. Come on, NQ. Come on, NQ. Come on, NQ. Let's get one of the miracle bounces. Okay. Come on, NQ. Come on. Come on. Come on, NQ. I mean, if this trade doesn't work, I mean, this will be my last one for sure. Uh, 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 okay. Okay. Oh my God. Oh my freaking God, dude. Okay, I think that might be it. That might have been it. Time I freaking over levered, man. Yeah, man, that's not even freaking. That's not fun at all, man. It's not fun at all. That's not fun at all. would be nice if you just pop to the upside in Q. That would be nice. Yeah, I think I just stick to that. Um, Come on in, Q. Thank you. Thank you. Man, we're not playing that stupid game, man. I'm not gonna play that game. Oh, great. All right, great, great, great. I think I just got my payout approved. I think I just got it approved. Okay, never mind. It's pending review. But they did take it out of my account. They did take it out of my account, so I should be getting that payout soon. Unfortunately, this account had to be sacrificed. Man, I guess so kind of going back on what was bothering me today. I was I was waiting for this shoe to drop all day. I mean, I was talking about this shoe dropping all freaking day. I was like, man, when is it going to drop? I knew it was going to be when we least expected it, but having all these unnecessary bullish pops. And the one thing I hate the most is that it touched 605. This is why I kind of hate bearish price action in a bullish market, because it's hard to trust bearish price action even if you plan for it. Even if you plan for it, it's just hard to trust it. I'm gonna reduce my risk here. Because even though I did get in right here, I mean, this is at least about 30 points left on the table. So what I don't want to do is have this position come back on me. We do have price somewhat rejecting at the 50 EMA. So what I'll do here is trail at least one, at least get, yeah, I'll just trail that. Shit, no on me though. Bet that's not even fair, dude. That's not even fair. As soon as I was about to move it up, man. As soon as I was about to move it up. Mm. Yeah, I mean, it's not even worth that. It's not even worth that. I like how this thing plagued me though. I mean, I'll take the risk. I'll take it. Let's see if we can get to at least 5. Let's see if we can get to at least that first target. What I really want is that second target, obviously. Hmm. Okay. All right, man. All right. So Gameway says someone in your chat baited you, but I won't tell you who. That person, I know who you are. Sharon go to a paid. Go to a paid membership sub in the future. And that could be on the horizon, gain weight. That could be. Mm. Man, I'm not being greedy, man. I'm just man, that looks like a freaking double top. And I mean, just hopefully the Bulls just come back in and not really play around here and just hit that target. Mm. All right, Bulls, come on. Come on. You got a lot of room for upside. There's no need to do any of this bull crap that you're doing right. Oh my God. Come on, Bulls. Come on. Come on, Bulls. All right, so 67. All right, so I'm just gonna give this shit 18 points of risk because I'm not playing that game right now. Give it 18 points of risk. I don't play that game. Okay. All right. Okay. All right, man. All right. All right. Today's like today, man. Days like today. Days like today. I make tough freaking decisions. You don't know which side the market wants to really trade on. I mean, the Bulls are being allowed to play, but every time price goes up, it gets knocked down. So you really can't be on either side unless you're scalping. Okay. I mean, I do see them buying, but they're selling too. They sell this. They sell this. That shit's going down. Decisions, decisions. You know what? I'm just gonna stick to the longs. I'm just gonna stick with the longs, man. I'm gonna stick with the longs. Well, the market is long and short at the same time. Yeah, but I will stick with the longs though. Okay, so all right. All right, so 85 minus 27. I gave myself 18 points of risk, but I'm moving this down to 27. I'm moving it down to 27. It's too whippy for me. I don't want to get stopped out. I mean, if I know if it comes all the way back down here to a 27-point loss, then I know I'm wrong. But uh, man, if I had such this strong bullishness from early in the session, I wouldn't be here right now. I'll be done for the day, trusting the Bulls, and now I'm disregarding the freaking Bears, man. Freaking Bears. I mean, they're dropping every pop, but they're not holding it because the Bulls are buying it back up. Uh, yeah, they're dropping they're selling every pop. Uh, but then the Bulls come back and stop the Bears out. All right, all right, man. All right, okay, all right, man. All right, all right. Nice, nice, nice. Post loss clarity. Was that rejection right there? That was a failure from the Bulls. It's a failure from the bulls. But the bulls brought it right back up. Hmm. Hmm. All right, man. All right. All right. All right, man. All right. Yeah. Hold on, guys. Give me a second, man. Give me a second. Give me a second. Ugh. All right. Okay. Okay. Well, all right, man. All right, so they double bottom it here. The question is, should I trust the double bottom is the question. Hmm. I mean, I really want to see what they, I mean, if they don't, the, hmm. But Google says if we get a pump, you expect it later in the day. Hmm. course, the price action has to be all nasty like that. Of course, the price action has to be nasty like that. Of course, it's not going to be clear or nothing. I mean, if you use that one, I swear it's the ones that you don't take, dude. I swear it's always the ones you don't freaking take that just work. Wow, it's always the ones that you don't take. Those are the ones that work. Those are the trades that freaking work, man. It's always the ones you don't take. Because to me, as long as I get my first and second target hit, that's honestly that's all I'm really looking for real. Anything else is gravy, really. No, Marquise, I agree, man. That's why I'm looking for the longs because it's like, well, I mean, the Bulls are definitely trying, but the Bears are definitely selling it. I think we get a flush underneath these lows, though. I mean, the way the structure is looking, I mean, I think we get a flush. I mean, the question, the question is, where is it trying to go? I mean, 425, 425, 420. And it's looking like it's trying to double bottom right here. I mean, it's looking like a double bottom. Um, well, so Marquis says if a pump happens at this low, he'll be looking to short it. Finding All right, so let's see if I made the right mistake or the right mistake, the right decision or a big mistake. Because I mean, the Bears are shorting every pop, so I'm just going to just go for the short. This will be my last trade. All right, so 36. I mean, it could definitely pop, but we'll see. Neither side is making this easy. Okay, well, there it goes. There it goes. Oh, there it goes. Shit. There it goes, man. Uh, I'm glad I listened to myself. I'm glad I listened to myself when I said that they was gonna run these lows. Uh, Glad I listened to myself because if I didn't listen, my feelings would have been hurt. My God, NQ. That's all you have to freaking do, dude. All right, man. All right, man. I'm just gonna let this run. Dude, I'm done. Man, I'll just take this win for today. I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll take the win. The crazy thing is I'm back exactly where I'm started. So that first move up, I was up $550, and with this drop, I'm up $550. So I guess I'm just gonna take that. This is my third day in this account. Let me actually show that. It's my third day. I was trying to get close to no, that can't be right. Of course. So I could have sworn I had like 3 more days in this account, unless I don't. Yeah, yeah, I could have sworn. All right, so yeah, it's official. Man, come on, man. It's not that serious to be doing all that. All right, so I'm gonna get this payout. They withdrew it. They withdrew it, so now I'm getting that payout. Um, like I said, I hate days like these. All right, so I think this is my what? It's gonna be my third or fourth day in this account. The crazy, like I said, this day right here would have been the third day, and this would have been my fourth day. I don't know why I went tilt on this day. Because if I look at the trades, I think I was positive. Yeah, I was positive, and then I let that shit go. think I was what day that was. I wonder if that's like is that what day that was? That was uh, and that's that bullshit I'm talking about with the NQ, man. Uh, that's that bullshit right there. I'll never finish. Okay, so it looks like we swept the liquidity below these lows, and now the market wants to rotate higher after that big drop. Um, oh, so that was on the 26th. Yeah, yeah, I went tilt on that, or yeah, because I guess when I looked at my P&L, it wasn't enough. So I think that was like $300 or $400. That wasn't enough, and I came back and lost all that crap. Excuse me. All right, so I mean, I do want to take this long if I see a bullish candle. I'm taking it long because that tells me that the bulls are now back in control. That pump up. Okay, so because we got that rotation down lower, so I'm gonna be now looking for a long if I can find it. I guess I just hate the fact that I was kind of looking for the 20 to go long, but I was like, I just might as well just take the short. But now that they hit 20, I think now they're gonna be trying to rotate this thing back long. I just want to get into. I just want to get in as close to this 21 EMA as possible, and as close to this 45 level as possible. So that's where I want to get in, but I want to get into the best price as well. Okay, well, I'm in. And this will be my last trade. But I have to be mindful about how much profits I get because I need to make, I can't make more than $800. Okay. All right, NQ. You ain't got to be nasty, man. You don't have to be nasty. You don't have to be nasty, man. I mean, you could have just did that. And I mean, that should be bullish right there. Yeah, that's bullish right there. So now the bullish just gotta do is push it, push it. Mm. Man, come on, Bulls. Stop playing these games every time I get in long. I just want to hurry and just be done. Shit. Stop playing. It's never freaking enough, too. Like I said, I gotta be mindful about how much profits I make. Probably just gonna take the whole thing off, right? I gotta be mindful, gotta be mindful, gotta be mindful. Come on, baby. Just hit, oh, come on. This is how you know the NQ is just a bitch. Like, dude, there is no reason, like, there is literally no reason for that. There was no reason for that. Oh my God. Uh, uh, uh. There was literally no reason for that. I got my target at a nice place where I'm not even retesting the high or nothing. Come on. Man, she's gonna make me wait for it, man. All right, so let me just make sure I'm not running into a golden zone or something like that. Yeah, dude, NQ, please. Please stop. Oh my God, dude. Oh my God. I'm not even running into a golden zone or nothing. Why are you acting that way at this level? Why? Acting like you're going to short. The top is up here. I mean, these wicks highs are up here. Oh my God. Thank you. Man, you just gotta love her, man. All right, Marquise, peace out. Yeah, I just want her to get this target hit, so I can kind of be done for the day. Uh, I guess I should have took it at. I mean, I think this still goes up. It's just that she's making me wait for it, and I kind of just want to be done now. But it's highly likely for it to go to the upside than the downside right now. But especially with this sweep of liquidity right here, this massive move up, them finding support here at 445. Now, this will become bearish if they break below 445 and they hold it. If they hold it under 445, then I'll be more concerned. But right now, it's just I have to kind of be patient with the price action right now. But the bulls are buying it. All right, man. And at this point, you made me wait for it. Shit. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Come on, NQ. Come on. Come on, NQ. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, hopefully we don't have another stop run like we just saw, because if they keep failing here, we're gonna get a stop run to the downside, man, if they keep failing. I mean, it's been building up. I mean, they're just buying and they're not doing nothing, and all their stops are being accumulated right under this low. And so, uh, man. Uh, hmm, nice. Hmm, man. All right, man. Now it's, I mean, we're in bearish territory now. Let's see what they do here at 445. I mean, if they reject here, then that's it for the Bulls and my position, unfortunately. They reject here at this level, it's done. Man, oh my God, dude. If you can find support above this level, then my position is good. You know what, man? Kind of tired of this. I'm kind of tired. I just kind of want to be done with this. Just kind of tired of this right now. Find support here. Nice. Nice, NQ. Nice. Nice. Don't fill my orders. No, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't fill my order at all. Don't fill it. Oh my gosh, dude. My God, man. All right, man. Okay. All right, dude. All right, dude. Mm. Ah. Yeah, right now, guys, I'm just kind of I'm over it. I'm over this week. I'm kind of over it. This price action is very frustrating. I'm just over it at this point. It gets frustrating when it's so close to your target, then it pulls away, and then it goes. It's like this back and forth is just tiring. If I can get in, if I can get my stop to move up, then I'll be done. Because I have to manage, I have to watch out how much I make, obviously, but then at the same time, I'm trying to get to that target, and it's just playing around with it. Oh. Okay, you know what? I can leave one on. I just want to be out majority of this position now. There we go. There's my stop. There's my stop. All right. There we go. All right. Fine. I can deal with that. I can deal with that. I'm done. This is definitely a man, the day was difficult. So even though it looked rough, I only hit daily loss limit in one account, and I hit the daily profit in this account. Unfortunately, this account, at least the limit had to be sacrificed, unfortunately. I'm staying consistent in this account, so that's why I was kind of just trying to get a certain amount, because I think in this account I regularly make like $700 to $800, and if I didn't make at least seven with the MFF's rules, I would have to trade an extra day. And that's why I was just taking the extra trades, even though I didn't want to, because if you're not familiar with how they calculate their consistency rule, it's your loss and your wins. So you can't lose too much and you can't win too much. You have to stay consistent. And this account right here that I got to pay out from, I think I was about $2 or $3 under that 40% threshold. I was $2 or $3. It was literally I think I couldn't make no more than 939. I couldn't make no more than 932. My highest day was 927. So I got this payout by literally the skin of my teeth. If I had anything higher than 932, I would have had to trade an extra day. So with that in mind, that's why I'm just trying to keep it consistent. We're just making $700. So once I reach to that 5-day, then I'm good. Yeah, today was definitely a challenging day. Definitely challenging. I will say that in hindsight, what I could have done differently was trust the longs. I mean, I was just waiting for this shoe to drop. I was waiting for it to drop, but it never did. It held this level, this 525 level. It held it. And when I was like, fine, I guess the market wants to go up. Obviously, I got in too late, I guess. The market was trying to rotate down lower. And once we got this pop at the 605 level, the one thing that I keep telling myself and that I just have to just start doing is when I do call outs, like when I inverse my own call outs, I don't understand why. I know mentally that this is where I should have got out at, or this is where I should have went short, because I was talking about this in the beginning of the stream that if we didn't get above 605, the market was going to short. But obviously emotions overrides the logic. So even though I'd said that, emotionally I'm thinking, well, even though this does look like a short, the bulls for some crazy reason has the momentum. Oh my frick. No way. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay. Let me make sure all my orders are canceled, because wow. Wow, dude. Wow. Wow. What the fuck? Uh, wow. Wow. That could have went seriously bad. Wow. Uh, uh. I mean, it would have worked out, but I've already reached my maximum. I already reached it. Any more than what I made, I would have, yeah, any more than what I made would have been too much. I make $700 to $800 consistently in this account. So, I mean, it worked out. It's working out. And it's interesting how I had a perfect entry here, because I would have been up. I guess I would have had my 18 points. Yeah, I just would have hit 18 points and I would have been up in this position. But I can't make more than $700-800. So, um, but yeah, these levels have definitely come in handy. We can see that the market, I have these drawn out. These are necklines that I've have drawn out and I projected them, and they've just been working out. So apparently the market must love these numbers, because Every time when price comes back to it, it's been acting as support and resistance. And I guess coincidentally, some of them are 23% levels. So 605, 445, 525. Maybe I'm wrong. Yeah, okay. Yeah, 425. Or no, it's 445. That 38. Oh, that 38%, huh? That 38%. 525. They've been loving this level right here. 525. And 605 and 685. 79%. And 685 is at 23%. Okay. But all right, guys. This week has just been challenging, man. I don't know. It's just been challenging this week. But all right, guys. We'll do this again on Monday. With that said, have a good weekend. Try to stay green. Try not to get trapped in all this choppy price action. And we'll come back on Monday. Peace out.